Hi everyone, this is Ed Wagner, the owner of Blue Echo Care and the owner of the Cleanse Right Earwax Removal line of products. Today we are going to talk about tips, and this comes up constantly when I'm talking to people, and the reason behind it is because when you're looking online, it's really difficult to find pictures of an irrigation device that really show what the tips are and what they're capable of doing. And the problem you run into is you'll get some really cheap ones out there that are just incredibly dangerous for your ears. So with that said, I'm gonna focus on the three main ones that I see out there. There's probably a couple more out there. If anybody knows of them, reach out to me. I'd love to learn more about it. But focus on the three main ones, give you a little bit of description, show you how it works, and then let you guys be able to decide from there what's gonna work for you and what works for family. So with that said, the first tip we're gonna talk about is the one I see the most often. It's a disposable tip, and it's made of a little silicone tube at the end that is connected to this plastic connector piece, which goes directly into your irrigation device right here. Now with that said, I showed this to an audiologist and they were horrified. This tip basically is just waiting to get lodged in somebody's ear, and there's all kinds of complaints out there about this particular one, and you got to feel really bad for people that are just trying to clean their ears out and they end up having to go to the emergency room. Worst part about this too is it disconnects so easily. So this tip is definitely not a tip that you want to be using. It's very dangerous, and unfortunately they're sold with a ton of kits that are out there. Now, the second tip is something that is really similar to what audiologists use in their office. This is a rigid silicone, and it's a little bit longer, and it has a little bit more thickness to the actual tip. But this is the problem with a tip like this, is that if you're not a professional and you don't know how to use this, it still has the ability to go pretty deep into the ear canal. So this is something that if you're at home and you're using it, it's probably not the right tool for you. It's not the worst thing on the entire planet, but it still has this element of potential damage that it can do to your eardrums. And then the last one is actually the tip that our team made. This is patent pending, so we developed this ourselves. We make it in the US. And the reason we put together with the look that it has is with this splash dish as this connection piece right here and this rigid synthetic rubber that we use, it literally is incapable of going deep into the ear canal. So this thing can't possibly hurt you. And that's what we really care about, again, is like the safety of the user of our actual products. The other thing we love about this, it's reusable. This first one I showed you is not. It's something that you have to buy over and over again because you can't put it into a dishwasher and wash it, or wash it with soap and vinegar, and then you have potential bacteria getting in your ears. So this is dishwasher friendly. It's something you can use over and over again. So with that said, that's the tips. Thanks so much, guys. If you got any questions or there's anything that you need to know about, reach out to me. Again, it's Cleanse Right, Ed Wagner. Mostly I'm just here to make sure that your ears stay clean. Have a good one.